Hello, pet owners! Don't want your curtains or your slippers to be abused ever again? Consider purchasing them some fun stuff instead. You should also probably ask your furry friends about their preference in advance. Oh, the list also includes a few devices for handling both unclean and less dirty items. As usual, you'll find all products by visiting the links in the description below. Can a good boy say he wants to go for a walk? Now he can by using this set. First, you need to record a word on the button and put it into hex format. Then every time you go outside, press the button so the dog can learn what it means. When you're done, you can add more buttons and words. The kit comes with 12 buttons and 6 hex tiles, but you can add more if you want. There are also stickers to help you tell one word from another. One day, we hope you'll hear those words. Okay, so you've got a water bottle for yourself, but what about your dog? Here's a 24-ounce water bottle that will keep the liquid either hot or cold for up to 12 hours. All you have to do is unfold the collapsible bowl and pour some water into it. It's that simple. Oh, and there's also a compartment on the bottom for some snacks. What do cats enjoy the most? That's right, boxes. And dogs too. So why don't you build a large box with the labyrinth? This modular toy set is made of sturdy waterproof panels that you can combine however you like. Want to build a house? Okay. A fortress? No problem. A box to keep all the cats in one place while you're cleaning? Go ahead. The panels are resistant to impacts and can hold up to 32 pounds, making this thing suitable for small and middle-sized pets. If you're enjoying our content, please give the video a thumbs up and click the subscribe button so you can get our newest and most interesting content as soon as it comes out. The next time you feel like you're going to pass out from the heat, check on your pets and use this fountain so your furry friend can cool off a bit. You just need to find a spot in your backyard, connect it to your garden hose, and adjust the water pressure. The mat is made of sturdy material, but you can easily repair it if anything goes wrong. Now that feels so much better for your dog. You already know how to amuse your dog, but how do you make the cat happy? Tease him with a laser dot. Yes, this is a smart laser toy. Couple it with the appropriate app and choose one of the two modes. If you want to tease your cat even more, download the app and use your phone to control the dot. It's time to let loose that hunter. When in automatic mode, the dot will dance along the floor as your cat follows it around. Don't forget to set the schedule though, so the toy can automatically switch on. How to play with your dog without breaking a sweat. This ball launcher will take care of that for you. And it's very easy to use once your dog has learned to put the ball in it. After that, the device launches the ball and your dog chases it within a 10 to 30 foot radius. When he returns, he simply needs to drop the ball on top of the launcher to have it launched again. To play with the dog outside, place the device into a nearby outlet or use some batteries. The indicator lights will let you know when it's low on energy. So go catch it! Most of the time, cleaning your dog is a disaster. Cleaning the bathroom after washing your dog is a catastrophe. The wet vac will make the whole process less messy and more dramatic. For starters, it's very small and only needs 48 ounces of water per clean, compared to 19 gallons when you try to do the same thing in your bath. The vacuum comes with different nozzles, so you can choose the best one that works for you. Once everything is set up, wash the dog, or better yet say, back the pup done good. Do you like a massage? Of course you do. And so does your pet. That's why we found a massager that works for both of you. It has 3 modes to relieve tension in your knees, neck, or head. But we think one of those fluffy balls will steal it and use it all the time. Don't forget to charge it though! It's easy to feed your dog meal. Just put it in a bowl. But chews and frozen treats shouldn't be on the floor. This treat dispenser can hold almost any chew and it's designed to make chews last longer. It keeps treats at just the right angle. What's cool is that it keeps the dog from choking by securing the end of the chew. It also has attachments for frozen treats, and the easy-to-use white base stays in one place and catches all the mess to keep the area clean. When walking a dog at night, you need to be sure that you can see him. This LED dog collar was made for that purpose. It has 2 strips of light that shine brightly to make the dog easy to see. The collar is charged by a USB cable and can last for up to 4 hours. So don't rush home and walk your dog a little longer. When you have to stay at the office to work a little longer, you're leaving your pet's needs unattended. This particular feeder gives your pal up to 6 meals per day, and all you have to do is fill the containers with food, either wet or dry, and make sure to set the meal times after you're done with the settings, so you can be sure not to leave your fuzzy friend hungry or overfed. Here's another worthwhile alternative that performs the same function, but with a voice reminder. Plus, this dome guards the screen against intrusion. Oh, and the bottom LED should be underlined, as should with other areas. Choose your model from the 2 available options, outlet or battery powered. Our cats love being petted and massaged more than anything else. This automatic brush was made with all cats in mind. This thing works just like a regular rotating massager. It starts working when the cat approaches it and stops when the fluffy ball gets enough attention. It's cool that the brush works so well with both long and short fur. Another benefit is that the device makes stick bites less likely. Ding dong! The dog is coming! This smart bell is the best way for your dog to let you know he's home. No more scratches on the door. You also don't need batteries or wires. Just stick the bell to a door or a wall. For it to work though, the receiver should be plugged into a regular outlet. The bell doesn't need a lot of force, so even a small dog should be able to use it. However, teaching the dog how to use the bell is probably the trickiest thing to do. Kevin had a great time being alone. But what about your pets? This ball is a great companion for your fluffy pal. All you have to do is choose the required size and mode based on your pet's activity, and the ball will take care of the rest. There's no need for any app or software because this is a smart toy. It'll perfectly maintain the balance between fun and rest. What's cool is that the outer shell is made of rubber, so it's completely safe for your pet. If you want a more peaceful setting, there are a few modes ideal for cats and chihuahuas. Otherwise, it will merely look like a tiny elephant is destroying everything in its path because the ball will always evade obstructions. Because pets and children are so similar, it can be difficult for them to endure grooming. Fortunately, there is a solution. This smart pet clipper automatically detects the pet's hair level and thickness and adjusts the clipping speed. There is also a built-in LED that illuminates tricky areas for safer trimming. And if you're pressed for time or the pet's coat is just too thick, you can switch to turbo mode for faster speeds. Another benefit is that it is quiet and gentle on the skin. The blades don't heat up and you don't hurt the animal. Grooming is a pure delight thanks to the integrated screen that displays all the necessary information and the rechargeable battery that eliminates the need for cables. How to recognize a cat in the house without seeing it? The smell and the abundance of litter fillings are the problems, and this mechanical litter robot will take care of them. You only need to clean it when the indicator lights up. Just add some litter filler and it will automatically clean your cat's litter box after the cat has used it. The robot turns the upper part this way to get rid of the clumps and other stuff. All the waste rolls into the carbon filter below. What's cool is that the robot turns on the night light automatically when needed. This is quite practical for old cats and for your legs at night. Nature's calls don't consider the time of day or poor weather. But if you want to walk your dog in the rain, you can use this pee pad system with a self-cleaning feature instead. It won't work with large dogs like pit bulls or malamutes, but it will work with puppies and small dogs. There won't be any bad odors since the pad absorbs the liquids themselves, and the caps prevent waste from leaking or spilling. The system also dries out the solid waste and replaces the dirty pad with a clean one. One roll will last for 27 changes and replacing it only takes a few minutes.